you wanna be hardcore with your hat to the back, talking about the gats in your raps, but I can't feel that hardcore appeal that you're screaming. Maybe I'm dreaming. This ain't Christopher Williams. Still some MCs got the feel one. Cats I got the peel some. To let niggas know that if you fuck with big and heavy, I get up in that ass like a wedgie.